Aiden,
You can open all of them.
can you tell me what you got? Can you tell me what you got for your birthday?
I got all this stuff.
What is it?
It's Iron Man, and I got my lightsaber, and something even new.
Something even new? Wow.
What's that?
Oh, what did you get from Bubby and Zadie?
I got this and this.
What's this?
Iron Man.
This.
This is. These are Star Wars stuff.
Do you love them?
Yeah.
Are you so excited?
All this stuff is from Daddy.
And?
Mommy.
And?
And?
Solo.
And?
Me. And you baby.
Happy birthday, Aiden.
Happy birthday, Mommy and Daddy.